Bitcoin might hit $150,000 or crash to $30,000. But what if I told you some traders are already predicting the next big move, not with charts or signals, but with ChatGPT? Yes, the AI chatbot that writes poems is now trading Bitcoin. But how? Stick around because I'm going to show you how some are turning ChatGPT into a crypto forecasting machine, and why this AI could either supercharge your trades or blow up your portfolio. Let's get this straight. ChatGPT doesn't have live Bitcoin prices. It doesn't connect to Binance. It doesn't read charts by itself. So why are traders using it? Because when you feed it the right data, RSI, MACD, moving averages, even Reddit comments, it starts to connect the dots like a genius assistant who never sleeps. For example, traders are plugging in social sentiment from X and Reddit, on-chain data like whale wallet moves, technical indicators like RSI and Bollinger Bands, and ChatGPT. It's analyzing it all, giving out warnings like market looks overbought, accumulation phase forming, possible breakout near support. Sounds powerful? It is. One case study showed that an AI-based system using GPT returned 1,640% even after trading fees. But here's the truth no one wants to hear. ChatGPT can also hallucinate, make up stats, sound confident when it's dead wrong. It's not a crystal ball. It can't feel market panic. It won't save you from a flash crash or a whale dump. If you follow it blindly, you lose. Even Harvard research shows that in high-pressure decision-making, AI users perform 23% worse than humans. Let that sink in. So what's the smart way to use it? Treat ChatGPT like a co-pilot. Feed it good data. Use it to build smarter bots, backtest strategies, and spot blind spots. It can't trade for you, but it can think with you. The future of Bitcoin trading isn't just bots versus humans. It's humans plus AI, working together, reacting faster, thinking deeper. So, can ChatGPT predict Bitcoin's next move? Not exactly. But used right, it might help you make your next move, your best one yet. If you want me to show you exactly how to set up a ChatGPT-powered crypto analysis workflow step by step, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Show me the setup. Don't sleep on this tech. The whales aren't.